country India has got independence, but those who live here, their brains didn't get independence. Today, also in the name of religion, there is corruption. In November 2017, the Modi government banned the 5,000 and 10,000 notes, but the corruption not yet is over. In today's world, those who have money, all people go behind them. Do you know many people suicide because they can't handle the tension of life? Most of them are the students who appear for boards and got less percentage. You know what life is? Life is full of ups and downs. So why to get tense and take that hard step? Do you think of your parents? How will they live without you? Life is like a cricket match and you are batting but without the stumps. And life is giving you unlimited free hits, that is opportunities. If you can't hit 1, 2 or 3 balls, not now, but at some point you will hit and boundary. That is, at some point you will catch an opportunity and will feel very lucky. But if you are quitting without doing anything, then who will play in behalf of you? Once, Sidney Harris said, "When I heard somebody say life is hard, I am tempted to ask, compared to what?" He has told an true thing, that if anyone is saying his or life is tough, but compared to what? Do you know sadness is the other part of our life? If you are capable to overcome it, then you will understand the beauty of life. Nowadays, many people try to go away from their parents. They think that their parents are giving tension to them. How will they are thinking now? Those parents who restlessly work hard to give you what you want, you think they are tension to you? Hey friend, just think for a while that those who had grown you till now, you really wanna keep them away? The truth is that today you are standing now, you are standing because of them. If they won't have grown you, your existence won't be there. Those who have given birth to you, you are forgetting them only. Don't go away from your parents. You don't know how bad they feel. Have you ever think? Love your parents more than anyone. They are not lesser than God. They are very lucky whose family is living with them. Many don't know by which phase their parents have gone through. Change today's mentality. Make your parents proud and give them all the love you had. My motherland always keeps smiling because you look too cute when you smile. To protect you from bad people, we are there. I pray to God that whose face I die every day, you please never faint the glow of their face. Many times I feel very lucky because I have taken birth in that land where many great personalities have been before, like Subedar Jogendra Singh, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Guru Gobind Singh, C.V. Raman, Dr. Abdul Kalam, etc. Mama, suppose if I die protecting you, don't get upset because I am always there with you. Life is full of surprises and we can't determine what we will get in life. Every failure is a stepping stone to success. Life is too short, so enjoy your every moment. You can't tell who will die tomorrow. You can't tell which soldier is going to border to serve the nation. You can't tell who will remember you yesterday. Live life till you die with your soul open and eyes closed. I salute to all those brave hearts who sacrifice their life while serving the nation. Change your way of thinking because no one is lesser or no one is greater than you. All are equal. Know your potential power. Don't live for your will. Live for the nation. When you go home, tell your family about those soldiers that for your tomorrow they gave their today. Happy 74th Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जब कोई पूछे मेरे बारे में तो मेरी ये पहचान लिख देना, उठाना मेरा कमांडो डैगर और छाती पे हिंदुस्तान लिख देना। कोई पूछे पागल था वो कौन, तो भगत सिंह और क्रांतिकारियों का चेला और इंकलाब का गुलाम लिख देना। और बचा हो जो जिस्म में दम मेरे, निकालना उसे, फेंकना जमीन पे और माँ तुझे सलाम